Can you read it?
I'm fishing.
He's still up there. Look by the yellow book. Look by the yellow book. Nope, nope. By your books, baby. There, Daddy got it. You gonna read it?
Frozen flash.
Good job. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's Elsa. Good job. What? Anna. That's Kristoff. Mm-hmm. Where's Finn? Where is he? There he is. Good job. That's Kristoff. Can you read that one?
Oh.
There you go. Start from the beginning. You can do it. Excuse you.
Excuse you.
What are you doing? You got blocks? Is that just getting you with her tail? Yeah, be careful. She might toot on your head. Careful. Be careful by her feet, baby.